Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this crunchy and delicious Nigerian chim. Of course, we all know what Nigerian chin is. Let's get started. To start with, I'll be using 420 grams of flour. I'll be sieving that in my white sparkling bowl and also be adding some other ingredients. And if this is your first time of coming through this channel, please consider subscribing. Subscription is free, guys. Like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real VIP. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Right, so I added some cinnamon powder, sugar, salt, and some baking powder, which I did not film. I'm really sorry for that. I'll mix the dry ingredients very well, add 2 eggs just as you see me do there, and some melted butter, then use my spatula to turn it around. Afterwards, I'm going to go with my hands and do the normal thing. You know, of course, doing chin or making chin, you have to use your hand to give it a good mix in order to achieve what you need to achieve. Yes, this is what I want to achieve. As you can see, everything is well incorporated. The next thing is to add my milk. As you can see, the milk is colored. I added a little bit of coloring. Okay, I'm going to add that and I'm going to give it a good mix. I also added a little bit of the milk, and of course I carried on with my mixing until I achieved a non-sticky dough. This is exactly what I want to achieve. I'll put it on a clear surface and I'll split it into two, one part first and the next part next, just like so. As you can see, the dough is ready to be rolled. First thing I'll do is to lay some flour on the surface and also on top of the dough, give it a little bit of massage, then I'll come in with my rolling stick. I'm going to roll the dough with my roller until I achieve the texture I want. So sometimes people like to make it very flat, but for myself, I'm going to make it in between. So I don't want it too crunchy but not too crunchy. Yes, don't mind me using that word. So yes, I'm going to roll back, front, sideways until I achieve what I want to achieve. At this point, I'm going to come in with my pizza cutter. So what I'm doing at the moment is to cut away the sides because I just want to make a triangle or a square shape before I start cutting the chin into the size I want. Right, while I'm doing this, can I just even ask a question? Is it called chin or chim? Guys, if you know what it's called, put it on the comment section and let me know. I'm going to be repeating the same process with the second dough, which was done off the camera. As you can see from the title of the video, I'll be making fried and oven baked chinchin. So this is the outcome of my dough, and it's all ready to be fried as well as baked. So what I'm doing there is to use the steward to determine the hotness before I start frying. So go the dough into the frying pan. Afterwards, I'm going to give it a good stir, continuous stir until it is golden brown. This is exactly what I want to achieve, like so. I'll keep on stirring until I'm satisfied with the color, then I'll take it off the heat, like so. Once I'm done with the frying section of this chinchin, I'm going to move over to the baking section of it. So I'm putting some of the remaining chinchin on my baking tray, spreading them, evenly before I put them in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to add some coconut oil on top of the chinchin because I don't want it to get too dry, okay? So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Afterwards, it's going back to the oven for another 20 minutes. This is after the 20 minutes and my baked chinchin is ready. Look how nice it is, but it's not as dark brown like the fried chinchin. So which do you prefer? Do you prefer the oven baked chinchin or you prefer the fried version? As for me, I'll go for the fried version. If you have stayed up to this point, then you are the very VIP, and I'll say thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.